A century of World Championship history, plus the earlier origins of table tennis, were on display during the ITTF World Team Table Tennis Championships Finals London 2026, presented by ACN. The ITTF Museum, based in Shanghai, set up a special exhibition at Brent Civic Centre. Packed with information about the great champions down the ages, it also featured a host of artefacts from a century and more of table tennis, ranging from bats, balls and nets to photographs, books, programmes and other documents. Display panels charted the history of the ITTF Museum, while replicas of all 7 trophies awarded at the ITTF World Championships featured prominently. Table Tennis England loaned Fred Perry's bat, with which he won the 1929 men's singles title. Among the items on display were these bats and balls, offering a fascinating insight into the evolution of the equipment used in our sport.